Hey, adventurous. For the girl them. I just seen a minute of your time, and when I get it, girl, you know what time it is. Time to unwind.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beige. If you are new here, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, as well as turn on the post notification bell down below as well before you leave to be notified of all of my future uploads. So today's video is going to be about this hair that you see me wearing. I was sent this hair from Lemoda on Aliexpress.com. Lemoda is having a promotion currently, and they are giving $20 off of future purchases when you like their page on Facebook, as well as give them a 5-star rating on AliExpress. Basically, you would just screenshot that you did those two things and then send it to them, and they will give you $20 off of your future purchase. So definitely check down below in the description box. I will have the information down there, as well as the link to their Facebook page and their AliExpress store as well. I was sent 4 bundles of 24-inch Brazilian straight hair, as well as one 4x4 matching closure. The closure was 20 inches. The shipping was really quick. It came to me through FedEx Express. When I opened up my package, I received my hair, of course, and I also received some individual eyelashes. I did sew all of the bundles onto my wig cap as well as the closure using my sewing machine to create this wig. I love the fullness of this hair. However, I used the entire four bundles that they sent me, and I ended up running out of hair. So I did luckily have an extra bundle that I just had laying around the house. That I would say if you are getting a 24-inch or longer length, you would need more than 4 bundles. If you're getting closure, if you're getting a frontal, 4 bundles will probably be enough, but with the closure, if you want it really full, I definitely recommend getting 5 bundles. It depends though, like it depends on whether you're getting a sew-in, and it also depends on how big your head is and how full you want your wig to be. But I love full hair and I love longer lengths, so I typically get more bundles than I need when I order from AliExpress. I would say that the bundles were not double wefted and they were on the thinner side. However, if I were to space the rows of hair out, I probably would have had enough, but then the hair would have been thinner. So when I opened up my package, the bundles did not have any smell at all. They did have a really healthy shine and natural luster to them. The hair was extremely soft. I kept running my fingers through the hair. The ends of the hair looked really healthy. None of the ends were split, so that was a good thing. I love the movement of the bundles. They were very lightweight, very wispy, very flowy, and as you can see, they move really, really well. This closure was your typical 4x4 closure. So this amount of hair is the closure. That's the amount of space that I can part within the wig, and the rest of course is wefted. Okay, so here's a close-up of the closure. I feel like the lace was thicker than normal. It was probably a French lace that they used to complete this closure. I had a major issue with flyaways, as you can see there. I had to use wax to lay the hair down, as well as my pressing comb as well, to make sure that the hair was flat, because I don't know if it was static that this hair carried or what, but it was just standing straight up, which was very, very weird. So this closure did not come pre-plucked, and the hairline was not a gradual hairline. The closure also did not come with baby hairs either. Okay, so let's talk about this hair color. I did bleach this hair a total of 2 times. It was a little weird because the first time when I put the bleach on the hair lifted to different levels. Like I had some of the hair was still black, some was medium brown, some was bright blonde. All of the hair, the entire wig was a different color. Like it wasn't just one uniformly shaded wig. There were certain wefts that were blonde, certain wefts that were brown, certain wefts that were black. And then the closure, which was really weird, was like a very dark brown. So I had to put bleach on it again in hopes of it becoming one uniform color, in hopes of it like stripping down whatever chemicals or whatever was put on the hair so that it can all lift at the same time to the same level. But I didn't have that luck the second time that I put the bleach on the hair. So I did have like areas of the wig that were still platinum blonde, and then I had some of the areas of the wig that didn't even lift the second time that I put bleach on it. It was really stubborn areas of this hair. But I did end up just putting the dye on top of it because I didn't want to bleach it a 3rd time. I didn't want to bleach it a 3rd time in the same day. And of course, if you have like a bright blonde section and you put red on top, that part is going to be bright red. And if you have a dark brown section and I put red on top, that's going to be like a medium auburnish reddish color. So that's pretty much what I got. You have like streaks in this wig. You have like some brighter red areas and you have some darker red areas, but it does look uniformed. It looks like it was on purpose. So I ended up dyeing this hair using 2 different hair dyes that I mixed together. I got 4 bottles of Wild Cherry by Adore number 69 that I picked up from my local beauty supply store, as well as 1 bottle of Intense Red number 71 by Adore as well. I ended up just pouring the entire contents of all of the bottles into my mixing bowl. I mixed it up and then I applied it to this hair after I bleached it the 2 times that I bleached it, and this is the color that it came out. I love this color because it's such a beautiful rich red color and it's not too bright. This hair did not get much shedding at all. However, of course you're going to get shedding with any type of hair. That just cannot be avoided. Even your own natural hair sheds. This hair does tangle, and I did deep condition it after I bleached and dyed the hair. Instead of air drying, I decided to blow dry the hair, and that was a terrible choice that I made because the hair doesn't do good with blow drying at all. The hair did tangle up a lot. So I would suggest, if you are bleaching the hair from this company, that you let it air dry. And while it's air drying, make sure that you get like a really good nourishing leave-in conditioner and, you know, comb through it. That should definitely help with the tangles. But if you let the hair air dry, I doubt you will have the issues that I had with the tangling. Make sure after it does finish air drying that you get a wig comb and that you're combing from the bottom on up. That definitely helps. And I did also use a silkening gloss. It's by Kenra Platinum. I'll have the information down below in the description box if you're interested. But this is really, really, really amazing on all hair. As you can see, this hair is like really silky, glossy, shiny, and it's not weighed down by oils. I don't feel any oils on my hands at all. That's why I love this Kenra Platinum Silkening Gloss thing. It's really, really, really good. It makes the hair look healthy and shiny. So although red is such a beautiful color, it's such a hard color to maintain because red hair does bleed and it does dull and turn into like a brown color over time. So it is much harder to maintain, and you will have to constantly keep putting dyes on there to keep, you know, dyeing the hair to get it as vibrant of a red as it was when you first got it or when you first dyed your hair. So I definitely do recommend to get it shampoos and conditioners that's specially formulated for red hair that will keep your reds looking bright and vibrant. So this is by Riveting Reds, both of these. This is the shampoo and the conditioner. This is the color replenishing shampoo. It revives and brightens all shades of red hair. And then this is the color refreshing conditioner. It refreshes and brightens all shades of red hair. I got these both from Sally's Beauty Supply. Okay, so this is pretty much the end of this video. Let me know if you have any more questions. Leave them down below in the comment section. Also check down below in the description box all of the information about this hair, as well as all of the products that I mentioned in this video will be there as well, so please check that box out, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye guys!
But you have to do the time, all of your free time, babes, that are my time. Me have a bike when you want exercise. Hope you can angle the ride. I me no give a damn about no policy. I just your body for me when I want to see. I just need a minute of your time, and when I get it, girl, you